Hello everyone. I hope you guys doing so well. Today I'm going to a new friends. They are all are Chinese. Today I'm trying to show the Chinese how they are enjoying their personal time, etc. So stay with me and see the Chinese culture and everything. Because today I will show my best. I will try to my best to show you guys like how Chinese people are enjoying. So right now I am leaving my apartment. You know, there is my apartment behind me, and I am going now nearby our school. It's not that much far away, so enjoy with you all the time. Just today I am shooting with like my 360 camera. Insta with me always. So let's go and enjoy together.
I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Hello, hello.
你先进到里面，
啊
先玩一会儿啊。
啊，可以可以
停到这里可以。
啊哈。সো আজকে আসলাম ঘোড়ার একটা ফার্মে। তো আমি ঘোড়ায় চড়লাম, তো খুবই জীবনের ফার্স্ট টাইম, আর এক্সপিরিয়েন্সটাও সত্যি খুব গুড। আর এই জায়গায় ঘোড়ার ট্রেনিং দিতেছে ওরা সবাই। আর এদিকে আমার পিছনেও আছে, দেখতে পারেন একটা ঘোড়া, একটা মেয়ে, ওর টিচার ওকে শিখাইতেছে। তো আমাকেও বলছে একটু পরে শিখাবে। তো এক্সপিরিয়েন্সটা আসলেই সো গুড, and I don't know how to say, it's feeling so good. In Chinese this called Fei Chang Hao, that means it's a super good. And my friend, like Chinese friend, he's riding horse behind me. Where yes, there. It's feeling so good. He's riding horse so well. It's feeling actually so good. So guys, I will show you how to ride a horse. So let me go up.
每一次上马都要从马的左边上。
Every time you mount a horse, you must start from the left.
Ah, yes.
对，左脚先上，对。
等一下。
OK。
Yeah. OK.
拉着缰绳。
好。
OK。
OK。
走，你自己家走。
Yeah, yeah. It feels so good. Look, I am riding horse. Literally, it's feeling so good. Damn, damn, man, damn. It's pretty good. First of all, I have to sync this horse movement with this horse movement. This is feeling so good. And this brother helped me a lot today. And I'm feeling actually so good. He's okay. Nice experiment. Nice experience also. This is my first time in horse riding. And this brother will teach me how to ride a horse. So I am so glad to him. Hello. When I am moving like this side left and I am taking right side rope, that time it will be like the horse will go the right side, and when I will take the like left rope, then that side will go. It's pretty good. That is, now I am understanding the old vintage time, how the people used to like horse riding. I'm feeling so good. He's doing how good. He's doing how good. Yes. Damn. It's looking good. Yes. I'm trying to do is fast speed. That was like so good. Okay. Ah, Tansha.